Alright, hey, so welcome back to the garage. Got a quick one. Gonna put on this vibration dampener. I got a new phone, so basically I don't want to, mess it up. And yeah, I'm gonna stick this thing on. Let's unbox it. Alright, so you just pull a tab over here. And then let's see if I can do this in one hand. Actually, you know what? Boom. So got the mount right here. Pretty sturdy, aluminum. And then the two tools. And then for the different types of mounts you have. Alright, so let's get over the bike. So this is the one that I currently have, just the base one with no dampener, so I'm going to replace this. It'll stick it out a little bit, but that's okay. It's kind of hidden by the whole mirror and hydraulic clutch master cylinder right here, so let's get it on here. So you see I got it off. I got the rectangle one here, so I just got to match it up. So look at these two, that one's a square rectangle, so gotta throw that one on right there, and just like that it's installed. So you can see, it's good to go, and so screwed in right back there, and that's what it looks like. So yeah, it's just a quick little one. But yeah, tell me what y'all think. If you want to see more, check out my channel, go to my Instagram at JHP Customs, and see y'all in the next one.